Do you have any special text which really inspired you and you hold it close to your heart?
Of Yiddish or
Of Yiddish or just in general?
No, this is of course in the Bible it's Kohelet, Koheles auf Yiddish, ich hab euch. Aber ich kann nicht reden by heart. No, this is Kohelet and the prophet Amos was always very fascinating for me. And then of course all the lyrics by Bob Dylan and Leonard Cohen. Bob Dylan, we go together through life now since 1979. It's quite interesting that the first record I bought when I was 15, it was one of his very Christian records, Slow Train Coming. He had for 3 years this period where he became a born-again Christian as a Jew. And this 1979 I bought my first album. And so his lyrics are for me like a Bible. This is, you find for every situation in your life, you find the right word. And Leonard Cohen is similar. This is also Leonard Cohen. And also my beloved writers who wrote in German language. Josef Roth, who was born in Galicia, in Brody, in the east of Lemberg. Stefan Zweig, Peter Altenberg. Most of them quite unknown in the English-speaking world, but they were this legendary Vienna coffee house writers in the beginning of the 20th century, late 19th century, before the First World War. And I was reading, especially Josef Roth, I was reading since my childhood. And so I always wanted to see the places about which he was writing in Galicia, and it was a great moment when I could come for the first time to Brody, and when I went to the school where he made Matura, and I could understand, after seeing all the places, I could understand much more about what he was writing than before. So all my beloved writers, all my beloved musicians, they all were Jewish since my childhood, since I was a young boy. And why ever it happened like that, I don't know.